Hello everybody, welcome to this channel again. So today I'm going to show you how to lock your profile, and this will be a very quick video. So you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Facebook application. Okay, now click on this three dot. After that, go to your profile. Now click on this three dot button. Now you can see here many options, and at the fifth option you can see lock profile. Now click on that. Okay, now click on the lock your profile. Okay, now you can see your profile is locked. Now what is the benefit of this? Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So if you lock your profile, your posts, photos or stories will be only seen by your friends. No other people can see this. So if you want to lock your profile, just follow these steps and that's all. So if this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video for any quick tutorial like this.